Hello. I thought, considering as though it's here, and we don't know where the next one is going to be, might as well just put some fuel in it. I bet this is expensive here, isn't it? Oh, not terrible. Okay, I've put in 29 euros. Oh, someone's behind me. I'll get out of his way. Just walk it forward. Takes me about 6 hours to get here. That's concerning. Just a random car boot. I like it round here. It's random. This is just gorgeous, I think. That's lovely. It's clear. You can see round this next corner. Oh, blind crest, that's horrible. Oh. So my thoughts at the minute are be careful overtaking these guys, because I think the guy behind wants to overtake as well. So that wasn't my best overtake, but it got the job done. Do you like that one? Got one. Oh, he swung out wide to go around that then. God, if that was a car coming, that'd have been bad news. This camper van, just FYI, isn't really checking his mirrors, I don't think, so just be aware when we overtake him. Is there? Oh, very nice. No. Feel free, man. I might do a little bit. We'll see how, well, I'll see how they go. Oh, hello. Hello. If me. No fucking chance. Go on, bro. He just, yeah, that overtake was not for me. Oh, they're local. There's no way they can go past, is there? Maybe they can. This guy's so close. There's no way you can see. Come on then, let's see. Represent the UK. Not quite as fast as I thought they'd be. I might overtake him. I guess that's a 790. Whatever it is, this is oh. The other thing is, well, it's hard to follow them because they don't really like their lines, and you end up sort of not, well, yeah, target fixating on their backs. You end up following their lines. So I shall wait here for my Freunde, meine Freunde, and then we shall continue on together. Look at that view. Look at them views. But for the bike, you know. So hang on, before I get into that, I've started drinking beer with lemon in it, and I love it. It's absolutely. Oh my god, sorry. There's a car behind me. I'm so sorry. All of those cars are waiting for me. I didn't realise. Exit 1, by the way, if your sat nav's not working. Although it always does. Oh, look at that! That is gorgeous, that Alpha. That is. Oh, I'm in neutral. Oh, curb! Oh, that's a zebra crossing. Oh well, they didn't cross quick enough, so I'm gone. Oh, look at that! That's a beast, isn't it? I am gonna overtake him. Oh, that was fucking delicious. That Porsche. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah. Don't know. What do we think, viewers? Can you overtake a French police car? How close can I get without annoying him? Oh god. Yeah, he let me past. Oh my god, there's loads of them. So now I'm between two police cars. I'm nervous. Oh. I feel like I could. I'm in a convoy of police, mate. I'll overtake and I'll be the scapegoat, and then if they pull me over, you know we can't do it. The first one let me by, but I think he was having a bit of fun for a minute, so he was cornering it quite hard. What's going on? That was weird. Right, that's one done. Oh, this is nerve-wracking, mate, my heart. His blue, did you just say his blue lights have come on? Yeah, that would be funny. Right, I've done all the police cars, and that's just this white car left to do. Okay, I did it. Oh, my heart. Oh.